Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DMMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2020, question number 14. Which one of the following is used to represent the supporting many-to-one relationship of a weak entity set in an ER diagram? And 4 options are given. Before solving this question, first go through the ER diagram lecture, then come to this question that you can easily understand. Let's check one by one option. Option A, diamonds with double or bold border. Yes, this is used for identifying relationship in case of weak entity set. Suppose this is a weak entity set and here this is a strong entity set. Now this side is total participation, or we can say many to one relationship, and here all the attributes are dashed line as these are the discriminator, right? So for identifying relationship of a weak entity set, we use diamond with double border. Option A is true. Next, option B, rectangle with double or bold border, like this. This is used for weak entity set, okay? And this question is asking about what symbol we used for many-to-one relationship of weak entity set. Option B, rectangle, is for weak entity set, not for relationship. So this is false. Then oval with double or bold border. Oval is used for attribute, not relationship. Then option D, oval that contain underlined attribute. Underlined attributes means that's the key. So answer will be option A. Weak entity relationship are represented by diamond with double or bold border. Option A. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.